So today we're going to go through programming the IFC control board to our 0.584040 transmitter. We want to make sure that before we start our programming sequence that our battery box is in the remote position. This will be your 0.584103 Proflame battery box. Make sure that this is in the remote position, not the off. If it's in the off, you can delay your programming sequence. So we're going to go ahead here and turn on our IFC control board. We're going to see a small red light flash, and then we can go into our sync. This now tells us that we're ready to go in. We're going to press our sync button. We get a short beep with a steady light. This light will stay on for about 10 seconds. In order to press that button, you'll hear the 3 beeps. The light is off. We're now into our programming sequence. Each time you turn this on and off, you should hear a beep coming from your IFC control board. We're going to take, and we're in a thermostatic mode right now. We're going to go to smart, then we're just going to go to our high position. Our pilot comes on. And then our main burners come on.